percent per portion. So you got these two fraction lines and an equal sign. And does anyone remember what goes here in the bottom left?
100.
100.
Very good. So we got to put 100 up in here.
And above it? That's on the top.
And what's just above it?
Percent.
Very good. You got the percent. Okay. And then on the other side, here in the top right, you'd have the part.
And then the part and whole.
Okay. Very good. And over here we've got a whole. So so some of you guys saw this and you know where to put the unknown depending on where you find the word of, right?
Right.
Okay, so once you find the word of, it'll always be of a whole, okay? Because it's always a part to the whole or a part of the whole, okay? So for example, if it said 10 is 30% of what number, okay?
The X would be on the whole.
The X would be the whole because we don't know what it is.
Yes.
10 is the percent of the whole, okay? That was the proportion. This is an equation, okay? So if part over the whole equals, yeah, sure. This is, well, that's fine. Okay? Yep, the part divided by the whole equals the percent as a decimal. And if we were to mess around with this equation like they're doing up in here, see right here, then eventually we would get this equation, okay? If you take the percent and multiply it by the whole, then you get the part. But if you don't, the whole is equal to the percent divided by the part. Yeah, I think I did that. The part divided by the percent, that's right, okay? But here's the thing is if you guys don't like this, the way that the book is doing it in this lesson, just use the proportion. All right? So let's look at this example. Okay? Well, maybe we should write this out. Jeez. All right, so some of you will notice so if we wanted to find the percent, we would take the part divided by the whole. Okay? If you wanted to find the whole, take the part divided by the percent. If you wanted the part, it's the percent times the whole. So there's three different things that you're going to have to kind of know or memorize here if you wanted to use the equation stuff, which is why I'm actually kind of suggesting you just continue to use the proportion. Okay? If you got this stuff down, then that's fine. Okay? On the test, I don't care how you do it, just do it. All right? But again, if you want to just keep using the proportion, that's fine. So this says, what percent of 392 is 98? So if I was to use the equation, so I've got this fraction now, that will give me the percent. Part divided by the whole, right? So which is the whole?
392.
Yeah, good. 392 is the whole because it's after of. So it's 392. What is the part?
98.
98. 98 divided by 392 is what?
Something that will give you the percent.
Well, in the calculator, what does it say?
0.25.
Okay. 0.25?
Yeah.
Exactly?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, very good. So it says 0.25, but it wanted this as a percent? 25%, okay. Is there anyone here that does not know how to turn a decimal to a percent? Really? Everyone knows? All right, that's impressive. Just real quick though, if we were to have used the proportion, okay, we have 100 here. What would have went above 100?
X.
X. What would have been in the bottom right? 392 and 98 right here. This will still give you 25%. Okay. Get to choose. All right, 33% of what number is 1.45? So, you guys remember what are we trying to find here? The part, the whole, or the percent?
The whole.
Trying to find the whole.
So we do 1.45 divided by.
Very good.
1.33.
Excellent. 1.45 divided by the percent as a decimal. 0.33, which equals
I think I'm doing it. 4.393939.
4.39 repeating.
Yeah.
All right. Is that right? Oh, okay. Okay, well, there you go. With the proportion, so this is 100. What goes above 100 in this one?
33.
33. What goes in the bottom right? X, because it's of what number? So 1.45 must go here. And then you just fishy method this thing, okay? There you go. Okay, so, and this is my mistake. If we were to look back here at the original question, it said round to the nearest tenth, which would have given us 4.4. But the more accurate answer is fine if you were to put that on the test, just with the bar notation, right? One is very similar to the ones that we've done already, right? See how it says it's a percent of a number? So you just take the percent times the number. Okay. Yep, since we want the part in this one, 200 times 0.06. All right, so this one is 36. Right, and this one is a 12. So, Sydney used the proportion, right? Did anyone use the equation for this one? Sam? Then how did you do it?
I did 72 times 50.
Okay.
No, 0.72.
Very good. 0.72 times 50, okay? Sam will do C.
Oh, that didn't work. Oh, this is hard.
All right, Sam, what'd you do?
I multiplied 0.14 by 150.
There you go. That's pretty good. 21, right? Okay. All right, Bentley will do D. There you go. 35. Okay. Well. On this one, they're just changing the wording on it, so you're finding in this one the percent. Okay, so E and F, find the percent. All right, there you go.
Okay, so I did 0.40 times 9, and that equaled 3.6. And that was my answer.
Oh, very good. Oh, okay. Now that would have been how we found the part, right?
Yeah, I got 20 for this one.
Okay. Yeah, right. So in this case, what are we trying to find in this one? The percent. So in this one, we're going to have to divide.
Can I do it?
All right.
Boy, can
Gabby will do E then.
Thank you. So I used the proportion. We're doing E. Yeah. And so do I have to like do it on the calculator again, or can I just like?
You just show the fish.
Oh, okay. And then this equals
All right, very good. So, is there something missing on this one?
Yes, it is.
What?
percent.
Percent.
Dang it.
There you go. Good job, Gabby. All right. Oliver's gonna do F.
Oh, it's special. Okay, so do the thing. And then this is of 150, so that's the whole. And then this is 100, and you're trying to find the percent, so you go like that. And then the 27 of 150. Okay, and then you do the fishy, so like 100 times 27 divided by 150. That'll get you some 18 stuff.
All right, excellent. Is that it? No.
What? Wait, 100. Oh,
Percent.
fine. Okay, fine.
There you go. Okay. No, it's good. It's good. $39 is 84% of what number? What are we trying to find?
The whole, because this is of what? No.
Yeah, the whole, because it's of what number? Very good, Oliver. Okay, so are we multiplying? Are we dividing? What are we doing? Yeah, division. Okay. All right. Micah's gonna do G. Yeah, that's a good song. 46.4. So then we'll get anything different. Most excellent. Most. All right, Taylor, we'll do H.
Go, go, go.
Oh,
You're gonna do the proportion stuff, right? This proportion stuff. Let's do the proportion. Yeah, do the proportion.
I know, but how do you do that? I'm gonna do the easy way.
That is the easy way. Because if this is hard and you don't understand it, then this is easy.
I know, but this is faster. I want to do it faster.
To some people.
I don't understand. It's like being a baby trying to do a 100-piece puzzle. I'm confused.
About this?
No.
Ryan, what are you doing?
What are you doing, Brian?
All right. Is everyone good on this one? Is everybody good? Okay. Now this one did say to round to the nearest tenth, if necessary, right? No, you're fine. Okay, so if we round it to the nearest tenth, then it would be 173.1.
Dang nabbit.
Right.
So bad.
That's if it's yeah. Okay.